Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's a clean and declutter, and that's hosted by At Penny's Place. So the hostesses of this collaboration is Buckeye Girls Recent Things and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. So before I get too far ahead, I'm showing you the microwave and the coffee pot. We are going to deep clean both, and that is what I'm doing in today's challenge. So now remember, I'm going to be linking the hosts and the hostesses down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the video, subscribe to our channel, and head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody else is decluttering. So what I did was bring the coffee pot over to the sink. So what we're starting to do here is we're going to clean that thoroughly and then move on to the next step. Now what I am showing you here is going to be something called Clear Flow, and that's made by Goo Gone. And what you do is you pour this inside of your coffee pot and it will clean the entire inside of your coffee pot. So I have a little bit of this left, so we're going to move on over here and we are going to pour this into the coffee pot, and the rest we're going to fill with water. So now I put the leftover, like I said, of that solution in the back of the pot. Then we're going to be filling that up the rest of the way with some water. We're going to let that brew as though it's brewing coffee and let it do what it does. And then we'll move on over to the microwave. So now we're going to come over here. We're going to take the microwave cover off. We're going to bring that over to the sink to clean that. And what we're doing now is bringing the dish and that little roller thing that sits in the center of the microwave. We're going to bring that over to the sink so that we can scrub that down. And we're going to spray the whole inside and outside of that microwave and let that sit. Now I did have a couple of items that are sitting in the sink that needed to be washed before I washed that microwave dish, so I may as well get that out of the way, so I'll leave you to music. Okay, so I'm so happy I got those items out of the sink and out of my way so that we can move over to that microwave dish. So now, of course, after I finished cleaning that, I noticed my sinks needed to have a little bit of a scrub down. So I just went ahead and did that. Now we're going to move over to the microwave and let's see what we can do there. We need to wipe those down. I decided to go spray this mixture that I have in this plastic bottle, which is warm water, vinegar, and a couple of drops of Dawn. And that's just going to help sanitize everything. So that's what I'm wiping on it. This will be the last thing I do before I place that glass back in there. Okay, now everything gets sprayed down. Everything is sanitized, looking really good. It's amazing how dirty things get. And then we're going to move back over to the coffee pot. So now it's amazing how hot this whole solution got as it was running through its cycle in that coffee pot. So it looks like I might have to leave this sit just to cool it off, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. So we may as well go clean the coffee area where it's going. So remember that whenever you see something like this, look at all that smoke that's coming out of there. You definitely don't want to get burned. So you want to make sure and cool this off before you even think of moving it back where it belongs. So I am using that awesome degreaser. I got that at the Dollar Tree. We're using to spray that down. I did leave something soaking to try to lift up that yellow, and I think that comes from the actual pot itself. So all we're gonna do is wipe that down. We'll worry about changing that out later. And yeah, let's get this all set up. Okay, so we are placing everything back here, nice and clean and sanitized. We're also going to place my cutting boards back where they belong on the side there. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. I want to take a moment and thank the host, Penny, for hosting this collaboration along with Buckeye Girls Recent Things. I had a great time. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day. And don't forget to head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody else did when they were decluttering. Have an amazing day.